Hello everybody, I'm Jakob Jhamlescher with Kaga Soil and Water, and today we'll be showing you how to do soil blocks. The soil blocking tool is pretty simple. All it is separate chambers that you put your soil medium into that then has a spring-loaded plunger that pushes the blocks out. The blocks also have little nubs that create the holes for the seeds to go in. If taken care of properly, this is a tool that can last more than a lifetime. So we have all of our supplies laid out. What we're going to do first is mix our soil medium. What I've got here is a 2 parts peat moss, 1 part perlite, and 1 part compost mixture. That will allow the soil mixture to get wet enough that it can stay in the soil blocks while also being able to have enough airspace for the plants to grow. Now, the reason that you want to do soil blocking instead of traditional seed trays is that A, it's more sustainable because you're not using all of that plastic, and B, because the soil blocks are exposed to air on all sides, the roots self-prune, which helps prevent transplant shock when putting the plants in the ground. So once you have your soil mixture in the tray, you want to add enough water that the soil can kind of be compacted and squeeze through your fingers. This will allow the blocks to hold their shape once you take them out. So after you get your medium all mixed together, the next step is to put it in blocks. What you do is you get a tray that will expose the blocks to air on all sides, and your soil blocking tool. And you really want to force the soil into the tool, like so. Really work the soil in. And then you put it in your tray, press the plungers down, and you've got soil blocks. It's easy as that. As you can see, this is the final product. You can see the dimples were made ready for seeds, and when you put your seeds in, you just close those up. Thank you again for watching our video on soil blocking. If you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at the information posted below. I'd like to give a special shout out again to Ohio Farm Bureau Foundation, whose support made this video possible. See you next time.